Did you know that you can email a Google Docs file? And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Now guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to email a Google Docs document. So all you have to do once you're inside on that document, just simply click on file from the many options here and you will have email. You go over to email this file, and once you click on that, you'll have this option here where you can easily enter the email address. So I'm going to enter an email address real quick. And from here, you can go ahead and put, for example, a subject of the document and write something. I'm going to simply write hello, right, as an example here. Here you also have the option at the top as well that it says send yourself a copy. If you want to send yourself a copy of the document, it's really up to you. But if you just want to email it to someone, you can just leave this box unchecked and enter their details and write the message right from here. Now you can also go ahead and have it attached as whatever document type you want. So here you can see it currently set as a PDF file, but if you click the drop down, you have other options here that you can select. So I'm going to simply leave this as a PDF document. You also have this checkbox that says don't attach include content in the email. So you can also check this box if you so desire. It's optional. Now once you're done, just simply go ahead and click on email or send, and you will see that it sends that email for you. Now what happens is that the person will receive an email with the content that you write along with that Google Docs document as a PDF. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.